Best Sport Compact Cars for 2024-2023 Cadillac CT4-V. In the realm of sport compact cars, the 2023 Cadillac CT4-V emerges as a standout option, offering a compelling blend of performance, luxury, and style. With its potent engine, agile handling, and upscale amenities, the CT4-V represents a bold entry into the competitive segment, showcasing Cadillac's commitment to delivering exhilarating driving experiences without compromise. At the heart of the 2023 Cadillac CT4-V lies a turbocharged 2.7-liter inline-4 engine, capable of producing an impressive 325 horsepower and 380 lb-ft of torque. This power plant is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, delivering smooth and responsive shifts for an engaging driving experience. With its potent power output and quick acceleration, the CT4-V offers a thrilling ride that is sure to delight enthusiasts and casual drivers alike. But the CT4-V isn't just about straight-line speed, it's also engineered to deliver dynamic and precise handling. Cadillac's engineers have fine-tuned the CT4-V suspension and chassis to provide exceptional agility and responsiveness, allowing drivers to confidently tackle corners and curves with ease. Whether navigating city streets or carving through winding mountain roads, the CT4-V offers a level of performance and control that is sure to impress. In terms of design, the 2023 Cadillac CT4-V exudes a sense of modern elegance and athleticism. Its sleek and sculpted exterior, accentuated by bold lines, aggressive front grille, and distinctive LED headlights, commands attention and makes a bold statement on the road. The CT4-V's upscale aesthetic is further enhanced by premium features such as 18-inch alloy wheels, quad exhaust tips, and a rear spoiler, which add a touch of sportiness to its appearance. Inside the cabin, the CT4-V offers a luxurious and tech-forward environment that is designed to indulge the senses and enhance the driving experience. Premium materials such as leather upholstery, wood trim, and aluminum accents create a refined ambience, while advanced features like Cadillac's user experience infotainment system, Bose premium audio, and wireless smartphone charging provide connectivity and entertainment at your fingertips. Furthermore, the 2023 Cadillac CT4-V is equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety and driver assistance features, including automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control, ensuring both peace of mind and enhanced driving confidence. In conclusion, the 2023 Cadillac CT4-V represents a compelling option in the sport compact car segment, offering a perfect blend of performance, luxury, and style. With its potent engine, agile handling, and upscale amenities, the CT4-V sets a new standard for excellence and reaffirms Cadillac's commitment to delivering exceptional driving experiences. Whether cruising along the highway or attacking the racetrack, the CT4-V promises an exhilarating and unforgettable journey for drivers and passengers alike.